Because I want to know, Mother Lou, anything to you. I want to know why you're. I don't not.
What started?
What is started? Because I do not understand. I'm not doing anything. I don't get it.
Ay, bongga, mag-English si Cindy.
Papa, sorry kayo.
Ay, okay, kayo si Mad. Mad,
Sorry kayo sa... Kinadala ko sa akong kayo, boss.
Pero mga tanong ko, Mother Lou,
Could you
like,
translate for me?
mga tanong ko, Mother Lou, like, why nahiubos ka sa kuwanga? Wala man ko nang hilabot. Like, I messaged you before the issue. I asked you because you post CC bullshit. Because a lot of people comment, like, Cindy, and then I message you in private, Mother Lou, a lot of people tag me. What's the problem? Even my manager, because I do not understand, Mother Lou. I do not. And you're making a story in social media, like,
Not just making a story. You are actively lying about us.
lying about us, like, gipahawat di ka sa restaurant. It's not true, Mother Lou. The stress you give to me back, I really
You sat in the restaurant with us for an hour. We talked to you for 20 minutes, and then you went and finished your meal for another 45 minutes, and then got up on your own accord and went home. So can you please tell us when in that time you interpreted us as going into the restaurant and asking you to leave? Please explain that
Yes,
to me.
Grabe ay mo post, Mother Lou. All the
Kaya
vloggers.
gani, sorry kayo sa akong ko because naminaw ko sa storya. Ang una na ako nadungog kay
Sorry, did she just say she listened to a story?
Yeah.
medyo
No, that can't be true. You were the only one there. You are the only one who could have made up that story. So who told you? What story are you listening to? You were the only
So,
one
ang
there.
nadungog na ko na sorry, naghulat ko sa inyo ha, og 6 hours. Kaya gusto daw na ako magpa-picture sa inyo ha.
But, Mother Lou, where did you get that?
You were
that issue?
there. You sat there for an hour with us. So what are you talking about?
I do not understand, Mother Lou.
Nashock ko kay pag-uli na ako. Happy kay ko, kay kabalo jud ko na nang gusto jud ta ka makita pa sa tinuod lang kay nagafan ko sa imo.
I'm very excited to meet you, but busy kay ko that time. You keep calling to me, but busy kay ko. But the point is, nganong naabot man taani nga wa man ko nang feedback, wala ko nang ungrateful. I was very thankful pa nga. Tapos grabe, nagpuspos pa ka, nagipahawak ti ka sa restaurant.
Ang nahitabo magud ato kay
Wait, so her feelings were hurt because we were too busy and we didn't get to meet her?
No, I don't know. No, it's not that way. It's not that way. I just telling to her, like, I was very busy. We're so busy. And she posts like, oh, I feel sad because Cindy we don't want to meet me or busy. She posts. And I was like, message her in private. Like, I'm sorry, Mother-in-law, I was so busy. I will call you when I'm not busy. And then when we met, after that, there's an issue. And I do not understand where's the issue came from. Because I'm not doing anything. You called me ungrateful. That I'm not doing anything. I'm very thankful. The one you post after we met. You know what I did at Mother Lou is I left the one you gave to me in the wallet in Philippines because you posted bullshit CCC. So I asked you in private, Mother Lou, what's the problem? And you did not respond to me.
And then on top of this, when you left from the dinner, you said goodbye to us, and we said goodbye. Have a nice night. We left on a very cordial note. Like, we met you, we talked to you, you finished your dinner, we were finishing ours. You went up and you said, have a good night, and we said, Mother Lou, have a good night. It was great to meet you. So where could you possibly, in what world could you possibly interpret this other than you had to have made up this story to lie about us? And I want you to admit that because there's no other possibility in the world for you. There's no other possibility. So I'm going to ask you again, very straightforward. Did you make up the story about the restaurant? Yes or no?
no.
Okay, so who...
Nadungog na ako ang story. I heard someone told me.
Someone who?
I cannot
Baka
drop
may
someone's
waiter
name,
doon,
but
no?
someone told
Oh,
me.
you can talk.
There. sat there. Did you forget the entire night that you sat next to us for an entire hour,
Kaya, ano lang si
peacefully
David.
enjoying your dinner, and then you stood up of your own accord and went home, and not a single person from the restaurant ever asked you to leave? So if someone said that, hey, Cindy and David asked the restaurant to ask you to leave, that never actually happened to you because no one ever asked you to leave. So please tell me again how you heard this story. It conflicted with the reality that you experienced, and then you decided to believe this and spread the story anyway. So again, tell me that. Tell me how you possibly believed a story that
So,
some
supposed to
random
be-
person told you, rather than the reality that you experienced.
No, ano siya gwapa, di na ko mag-English kaya basta ano to mabasa.
O sige lang, may di lang mag-English, may kita na lang kung matranslate.
Wala ko ay idea na inato na ito po. Because pagkaulin ako sa balay, lipay pa kaayo ko. Tapos pagkaugma, to istorya na nadungog na ako, which is nasakitan kaayo ko pag-ayo. Then connect na nako ang nahita po. Katong naay nag-ingon na nagulat daw ko og 6 hours just to take picture with you. Kasi honestly, wala jud ko ni ato dito para magpa-picture nimo because you know that restaurant is murag tuyuon bitaw siya. Yeah, very impossible na magkita ta kay maskin pag moingon ka ni Sir Chito nga nagsabot mi wala man to kabalo po si Sir Chito nga na ako dito.
Sorry, I will interrupt you.
Yeah.
Nagsabot mi ni Chito eh. Nagsabot mi ni Chito. We don't talk. Well, I don't even know.
Ay, dili. Mali ni Mugdungog. Ana, basin og nakaingon ka nga nagsabot mi ni Sir Chito.
Wala.
Nagsabot. So, bale, unexpected yun tong kita. In Ana,
I gotta interrupt for a second, please.
unexpected siya.
Can you translate for me?
Mami, ikaw translate be?
Okay, what she's saying that Cindy, ano ang Kwan Sindman, ano ang Bisaya, ano sa Tagalog ang magsaba?
Loud.
I'm not, unexpected na lang. Unexpected meet up.
With Chito. With Chito.
I'm trying to say like, we don't want to say she's waiting there for 6 hours in the hotel, in the restaurant. So,
Okay.
and I said, we did not
You didn't even
think
know
that.
you were there.
Yeah, we did not think that, Mother Lou.
So again, how is that at all relevant to the lie that you made up about us asking you to leave the restaurant?
Because someone
How is that
told
at
me-
all relevant?
So, David, listen. Someone told me that supposed to be you'll be there at 6 p.m.
But again,
Who said that?
What does that have to do? What does that have to do with you claiming that we asked the restaurant to ask you to leave? Again, someone telling you that we are going to be there at 6 has nothing to do with that. So again, you're dodging the question for the third time.
Sa tawag, the man